I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a ghost inhale. First, ensure you have a device that produces a dense cloud of vapor. This trick relies on the vapor's ability to hold its shape for a brief moment. We will cover the essential steps, from the initial exhale to the swift re-inhale, helping you achieve this cool effect with consistent practice. It's a fun way to impress your friends. To begin, take a long, slow draw from your vaping device, filling your mouth with a dense cloud. Crucially, keep the vapor in your mouth, not your lungs, for about 2 to 3 seconds. Then, with your mouth slightly open, gently push a small, dense cloud of vapor out. Avoid blowing or using your tongue. Let the vapor naturally float out, forming a distinct ball. Once the vapor ball has formed and is floating just outside your mouth, it's time for the re-inhale. Quickly open your mouth wider and inhale sharply and swiftly. The goal is to draw the entire vapor cloud back into your mouth in one smooth, rapid motion. Timing is crucial here. You need to catch the vapor before it dissipates, which usually happens within 1 or 2 seconds. For the best results, use a vaping device known for producing thick, dense vapor clouds. Practicing in a still environment, free from drafts or fans, will significantly help the vapor maintain its shape. Experiment with slightly different mouth shapes and exhalation speeds to find what works best for you. Remember, consistency and patience are absolutely key to mastering this impressive ghost inhale trick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.